That's it.
Or you got stuff,
No, Rita's coming over.
we went for further. Video, somebody's gonna come and knock you out.
I'll do it like this so it doesn't look like I'm doing anything. Stealth. Whoa, whoa.
What if they can stay there?
Oh no, look at that video game. No.
No, watch out, Ellie.
Crazy.
Ellie,
Yo.
you got the voice on there?
Yeah, I got the voice on there. Why? Oh, the kayak. Yeah, that one's nice.
Right here, Ellie.
Where? No, you're wrong. It's up here more.
Yeah, no, and pizza put that over.
This is every neighborhood right now.
All around here is everyone.
This is just one little block. Yeah, but the cabinet's smoke. Need new drawers.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my back tire getting flat?
No, it looks alright. Looks good. Just cruise it.
Where are you going? Home or more over the hill here?
Wherever you want. Wrong street. Oh, look at that boat. Oh shit, look at that boat. Holy shit.
The motor's in the water.
No.
Yeah. Look up, that's a nice backyard. I always used to ride by this. This one here.
This one's smoked too.
But always, like, it's been up on there for 20 years.
It's been up like that?
Yeah. It's always not on
Oh
the ground.
shit, look at that one.
Ellie, it wasn't right on the ground.
Ellie, look right there.
Yeah. Look at it. This one was up on the rack all the time.
Holy shit. Alright, Al. That's crazy.
Well, look at these guys. They're blocking their road off with those orange things. At night, I guess, or something. Maybe nobody's home down the street. And they're blocking the corridor. They're going down the corridor now.
No, I don't think you need to go there. You can see.
Okay.
Whoa, look at this tree. It's almost falling onto the house right now.
Whoa.
The garbage is holding it down. Fucking brand new fridge. Holy shit. Every neighborhood like this. This is crazy. Oh no. And then some people's with their house up, they're good. This house has got to be smoked. These people already took most of their stuff to the dump. Oh, there's a safe.
Ellie, there's a house back there.
Is that a safe open? Are you sure?
Yeah.
With. But what if it's open? It's not open. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, everybody's house is toast. All these ground level ones are smoked. Here's that house that we looked at where the back's all broken off of it. This one right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, this was never being built before. Like, this wasn't started when I was here last year. None of these were started.
Yeah, see the back? Look at the
The whole back corner fell off, right?
Oh. Yeah. That's for sure. Oh yeah, that cement is smoked. Cementa. The cement is cemented. Oh, what about this car? Is that got filled in? The Rolls Royce? Yeah. Yeah, look at it. It looks.
They're taking this baby down, or maybe they're fixing it. I don't know what to do.
Jeez.
This house was just boxed last year.
This is crazy. Anything electronics, smoked. All your power tools, smoked. Trees.
Oh, we got a convertible Mazda. Al.
Yeah.
You think it got full?
Miata, oh yeah, for sure it did. I don't know. Some of them that were here, whatever was here is freaking smoked.
Wherever there's grass in front of it. Everybody's not going in and out of their driveway.
Yeah.
I can't even imagine.
Oh shit, look at that chopper's landing like right there.
Coming down in your court.
Holy. Yeah, that's crazy. No sign of a dumpster. Just here you lose your front lawn. No. No, I think he's just cruising that.
No, look at the garbage hole. Oh, maybe, I don't know.
I think he's just cruising that. Holy.
There's that new one, that green one. It's a brand new one.
Crazy. Crazy.